Hello everyone, welcome to Laptop Repair Zone. In this video, I will show you how to fix HP Pavilion 14 laptop black screen with caps lock 2 blinks. As you can see, it's turning on, caps lock LED flashing 2 times. So let's try to fix it.
Please subscribe. Press the bell icon.
This is motherboard number R62. So at first I will remove this CMOS battery and press the power button for a few seconds. It will discharge this motherboard. Now I will check problem solved or not. Okay, turning on. Okay, as you can see, it's still flashing. 1, 2. Okay, now I will flash the BIOS chip. This is EC BIOS for IO chip, and this BIOS for PCH. So we need to flash this BIOS. This is 4 MB chip. As you know, caps lock 2 blinks, that means BIOS problem, BIOS corruption. So you'll flash this BIOS chip. Let's open SPI programmer. I use RT809F. As you can see, okay, software is open. Now I select the BIOS chip. As you can see, it's a 4 MB chip. So at first I will make backup this file. Okay, read is done. I rename it R62 backup. Okay, now I open. Okay, this is my good file. I copy it from another running laptop. Okay, I load it. Now just write. Okay, bias flash is done. Now let's resolder this bias chip to motherboard and then check a problem solved or not. Okay, turning on. We need to wait for a few seconds. Okay, it's done. So we successfully fixed this problem. Thanks for watching this video.